guys, what's up? I've got another video for you guys today. I know it's been a while since I posted. I've just been crazy busy. But this one is more of an overview, how to make your own mannequin bust out of EVA foam. And the templates will be provided in the link down below. I used the floor mat foam for this. You can use a thinner foam. The circumference on the completed head is about 22 inches. So it is fairly small. I made it smaller on the smaller end so that way you can actually put your helmets on there or cowls or whatever, so that way you can get on and off with a little bit more ease. Something else I've done is I've made it where the head can be turned. And that's just because of the PVC pipe. I used 1-inch PVC pipe with a 5-way splitter at the bottom. And the head and the neck just slips off. I freehanded this part. There's no template for this part right here. And then I just cut a 1-inch hole, or this a little bigger 1-inch, for the pipe to go through and hold securely. And I've done the same for the neck. Again, this piece right here is not in the templates. So basically once you get it all completed, you'll turn this piece upside down on the foam, and you'll trace it out and cut it. And then find the center and put the hole in it. And something else you'll probably want to do is once you get it where you want to get it positioned, is put a stopper on the pipe, like wrapping some tape or a coupler or something like that, so that way it doesn't slide down and it stays put. But it's all pretty self-explanatory. You know, it's all one half. The templates are one half of it, so you'll flip it over. Like there's no need to make the back or the chest two pieces and glue them together. Since it's a straight line, you can just flip it over and make it all one piece. I added some undercuts on the chest here to give it the kind of dimensions of a chest, just by cutting halfway through the foam and filling it with hot glue on the inside. And something else on the armholes, the F stands for front. And you only flip that pattern over, it's not exactly the same. So you will have to flip that. Something else you'll need to do is make an inward angle cut on both the armhole as well as the pieces that it connects to. And everything else should be notated with the arrow of the direction of the cuts. Also on the headpiece, when it comes to the chin, that is an undercut right there. So you want to make it a V-groove undercut at that point of the chin. And on these two lines right here, this one and this one, it will both need to be an inward angle cut, which should be marked on the templates. That's just so you get your the desired shape right there. One thing to note, on the templates, I believe the back of the neck is marked at the bottom to do an outward angle cut. That is actually a mistake. It needs to be just a normal straight cut, but the front of the neck does need to be an outward angle cut at the bottom. That's just to help kind of get the correct shape on everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sorry I don't have an actual build video for it. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below or send me a message. You guys have a good one.